I love the Adidas UltraBOOST. I love it so much that I actually have a bunch in my collection. Even when the Game of Thrones Adidas UltraBOOST collaboration came out, I actually snapped up all four. So that's how much I love this sneaker. It's super comfortable, it's so versatile. You can use it for athleisure, you can use it for running, you can use it for gym, working out. It is one of the best sneakers to ever come out, not just out of Adidas, but I think from the sneaker industry in general. And I think a lot of people know that I love the shoe, and some of my viewers on this vlog have been pinging me on IG, messaging me about a particular UltraBOOST that's been selling on a local e-commerce website here in the Philippines called Lazada. Now, this particular UltraBOOST sells for just $20. That's approximately around 1,000 pesos here in the Philippines. Now, being the UltraBOOST lover that I am and being always on the lookout for content on this vlog, you know your boy, I ended up copying it. So guys, this will be our unpacking because it doesn't come in a box. So it's technically unpacking of the, I don't even know if I should call it an UltraBOOST, but yeah, let's just call this the 1,000 peso or $20 Lazada UltraBOOST. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away 5 Van sneakers, 4 of which are collaboration sneakers, which mean they are rarer, more expensive, and more appealing. So all you guys have to do, number 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, hit the notification bell. Number 3, follow me on Instagram. And number 4, click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Lastly, before we get started, guys, Rose Gold and Black, one of my sponsors for the vlog, is doing a 40% site-wide discount on their online shop. So if you are looking to get like amazing bracelets, necklaces, or whatever accessories, check them out. The link to their website can be found below. And again, you have an exclusive 40% discount just for the month of April. Okay, with all of that out of the way, let's get to the unpacking, so or unboxing. So it did come in this typical padded wrap or padded packaging from Lazada. I think the official name of the shoes, I think like YEALON, there you go. It's called the YEALON casual shoes for men, and it's supposed to be like the men's running shoes with breathable air. Breathable air. So I actually already unwrapped this, also tried it on feet for a bit, and I want to share with you guys my thoughts on the shoe. But first, let's take it out of the packaging. So here you have it, guys. This is the YEALON casual running sneaker, and as you guys can see, it has a striking resemblance to the Adidas UltraBOOST Uncaged. So the Adidas UltraBOOST Uncaged basically is an Adidas UltraBOOST with the Prime Knit upper, with the Boost midsole, the Continental outsole, without the cage that you usually see here along the shoe. So this is basically like a rip-off of that particular design. Now let's go over the features, then I'll share with you my thoughts if it's actually worth the 1,000 pesos that you will be paying for this shoe. First up, if you take a look at the upper, the design is actually pretty sick. I'm loving the contrast of the orange and the blue and the white Boost midsole. I think it just pops, it just works. The different shades of blue with the black and the orange just makes it a screamer in terms of a sneaker. So I really am actually digging the overall look and the overall style with the color blocking that they use for the shoe. Very fit for the summer, especially now that it is ridiculously hot here in the Philippines. OMG, it is so hot. That's why I really can't find the use case or a day to actually use the hoodies that I have and the jackets that I have here in the Philippines. But anyway, enough of that. So again, it's the perfect color and the perfect vibe for the summer like season that we're currently enjoying or having here in the Philippines. Now, that's the upper. Now the question you're probably thinking, is it Prime Knit? No, it's not. So it is tougher. It doesn't have the elasticity. It doesn't have the flexibility that you get with genuine, real, authentic Prime Knit that Adidas makes. It's kind of like just a typical knit material without the breathability, without the elasticity. Doesn't really conform to your feet in the right kind of way. So definitely not the same quality. Now, if you move down to the Boost midsole, this is the farthest thing from Boost because it just looks like Boost, but it is incredibly tough. So it is nowhere near the cushioning performance levels that you get with the Adidas UltraBOOST, with the Adidas Pure Boost, with the NMD. This just looks like Boost, but it is stuffed like a brick. So, so you don't expect to get the same performance that you would otherwise get from an Adidas UltraBOOST Pure Boost NMD, a Nike Runner, or any type of Adidas sneaker that uses the Boost midsole technology of Adidas. Now, they did put like an air unit around here at the back, which kind of combines Nike's air unit with the Adidas Boost technology, making it some sort of like the ultimate Nike-Adidas combination or hybrid sneaker. Problem is, the air unit here is so soft, there's barely any air. So if you actually press it, it takes a while before it bounces back to its original shape and its original form. So it's really useless. So there's no point in having this particular air unit at the back. It's just there for styling and the overall look and vibe. But again, it is practically useless. Now, if you take a look at the bottom, this is where you're supposed to usually get like the Continental outsole of Adidas. And this is where it's kind of funny because the shoe has nipples. I kid you not. Because if you take a look at the outsole, you see this one, this particular point. So there is like a protruding nipple here in the middle of the forefoot, which is really weird. Why would you put that? I don't understand why you would put something like that, something protruding on the outsole. I mean, it's just weird. And you also have it actually on the other shoe, but the other shoe has like two nipples. It has one here and it has one here. The other shoe just has one. Why? I have no idea. It doesn't make any sense. And one more thing, the usual UltraBOOST has like the torsion system here. This one, it just has a solid block of foam, which doesn't add any value, doesn't add any performance to the actual sneaker. Now, how is the shoe on feet? Now, I was barely able to put my feet in them despite the manufacturer saying that it is a size 11 to size 12. It is nowhere near a size 11 or a size 12. It actually feels like a size 10. But in the limited time that I was able to put my feet in them, it really felt like a hard brick. Because even if it has like some sort of like foam midsole that you guys see here, the actual part here that you see over there, the one, I don't know, like the insole is super hard. I mean, this is the actual insole. It is kind of soft, but it doesn't do anything. But this particular part, if you can hear that, it is solid. It is hard like a brick. So it doesn't really deliver any performance, any cushioning, anything nice when it comes to the overall comfort of the shoe. Everything considered, this is a waste of money. If you have 1,000 pesos, I would actually recommend that you just save up a little bit more, just a little bit more until you can reach like 3,200 pesos. And you can actually buy a genuine, authentic, real, 100% taxed Adidas Pure Boost from the Adidas online store or the Adidas outlets, because they usually sell the Pure Boosts there for just 3,000 pesos. So this is an absolute waste of money. You do not get the performance, you do not get the cushioning, you do not get the comfort. Maybe in some way or form you get some sort of style out of them, but you already have a lot of much nicer looking sneakers available, again, for the 3,000 peso price range, from the Pure Boosts to the Runners to the NMDs that are already out in the market today. Oh, you're probably thinking, Carlo, what will you do with the Lazada YEALON UltraBOOSTs? Well, I will bring them with me to the Manila Sneaker Con 8 this coming Sunday at the SMX Aura. And the first guy who asks them from me, I will just give it to them for free. So again, just look for me anywhere on the floor at the Manila Sneaker Expo 8 and ask for the YEALON Lazada UltraBOOSTs and I will give this sneaker to you for free. Now, a few more things before we end the vlog. I just want to give a quick shout out to our friends from the Blue Tag. They sent over this really nice looking shirt that I wanted to share with you guys. So this is the white shirt. It says over here hyperlapse at the front, and you have some sort of like statue with a nosebleed at the back. So it's a really nice print. The overall quality of the shirt is nice. It also comes in black, so you guys might want to check that out. I will put a link down below to their Instagram account just in case you guys are interested in buying from them. And that wraps up our vlog for today. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, especially to all of you who are subscribed and part of the notification squad. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. I am humbled with your support. I hope to see most, if not, well, obviously not all of you, but I would love to meet any one of you during the Manila Sneaker Expo 8 this coming Sunday. If ever you guys are there, please do stop by and say hi. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.